How to fix this device isn't compatible with your version of Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the device isn't compatible with your version of Android error when you're trying to install apps from Play Store. And in this video, I'll show you some steps which might work in this case. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here let's start with the step 1, that is to check Android version. So simply open the settings app, and now here once inside you can just tap on about phone and tap on Android version, and here make sure that your device meets the minimum version required by the app. And here in case if your Android version is outdated, then you can simply update your device by going on the system and software update, and there you just have to check for the update. And with that, moving forward to the step 2, that is to clear Play Store cache and data. So here simply go back and long press on the Play Store app icon. And now here from the pop-up menu, just tap on App Info, and here once you are inside the app settings, then you simply have to tap on Clear Data, which can be seen in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here from the pop-up menu, just tap on Clear Cache and confirm it. And with that, you can also clear all data, but make sure that you have to log in back again if you do that. So here, just do this all, and once you're done with it, restart your phone and try installing the app again. And with that, moving forward to the step 3, that is to uninstall the Play Store updates. So here again, long press on the app icon, and from the pop-up menu, just tap on App Info. And now here, once you are inside the app settings page, at the bottom there you can see the option labeled as uninstall updates. So here simply tap on it, and this will reset the Play Store to its factory version, which can fix compatibility issue. And with that, moving forward to the step 4, that is to check the app availability. So here some apps are region restricted or limited to certain device. So here make sure that your device is supported and your Google account is compatible in your country. And if nothing works, then you can check contact support in the Play Store and ask if they have a version compatible with your device. And that's it. These are some steps that might fix the issue in the Android. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.